She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to go ahead and be a mashup recipe. We're going to mash up some Chinese food with some Mexican food. We're going to go ahead and create a orange chicken burrito. So I don't know if you guys know or not, but Panda Express has now offered a burrito, and that is a Chinese restaurant offering a burrito, but they fill it with delicious Chinese flavors, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do today, but we're going to make it homemade. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. so I'm going to go ahead and give this orange chicken burrito a try. Again, we've got the homemade orange chicken with that garlic broccoli and then the coconut jasmine rice. I definitely recommend you try it with the coconut jasmine rice because it is a delicious style of rice. And then also go ahead and try that broccoli recipe because that just pairs perfectly with the orange chicken. So with each and every bite, I'm definitely tasting orange chicken, but then it's a nice little twist with that tortilla shell wrapped around all of this goodness. So definitely give this one a try, guys, because sometimes when you do fuse different cultures and foods together, it actually turns out being delicious. So if you guys did enjoy the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, if you can, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. If you can, share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.